I don't like getting sand in my shoe. I've only got the one shoe.
The Shoebill, he don't like to have sand in his shoe. Well, he's too bad because Florida is full of sand. He's going to let down.
Oh, God, that was a lot of work.
Well, probably is for him because it's tiny legs and giant hair.
Baby.
And two in Florida. Look, very pretty.
Look, I'm flying. It's really low.
My cockatoo laughing, making turn around.
You know, like you're laughing at him.
Yeah, he.
Say, hey, you're running my shot. Get out of here. I'm pretending to fly.
Fly very, very low under the ground. I don't think that will fly because, well, I don't know.
Yes, they fly.
He fly, but it's too more difficult for him because the giant head.
No, look at his wings.
Too giant?
Mm-hmm.
I guess he's cold. 90 degrees and he's cold.
Where's he from, babe?
On Africa.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's more extremely hot there. It's very pretty. Shoebill stork from Africa.